that's how it goes. Anyway, y'all, what's up, y'all? We see, you know who this is. Drippy Boy TC. We on the reaction channel right now. We posting all bangers. Y'all go subscribe to Drippy Boy, Drippy TC. I don't fuck.
Yo, man, subscribe to TC.
Yo, we need an energy. But anyways, y'all see the bangers we posting on the main channels. Get me to 60K over there. He's gonna hit 1K today.
Get him to 60K.
Exactly. Anyways,
1K.
we finna make my American friend react to some Belize music today.
Belize.
They got some females over there. But I don't think this one is about all that action today. You feel me? Oh, that's good. Where my boy Denzi today, so we finna see what's happening, y'all. Leave a like, comment on the video as I say to see your comment where? Right over there in the next video that I post. You know we posting every single day over here. Recording the videos days off. It is what time today? It is 3 o'clock and y'all getting this video today. Anyways, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Hit that play button, my nigga. Let's see what's popping. Okay. Hold on, is it a vlog camera? No, is it a vlog camera? Is it a vlog camera? We're YouTubers, though. We gonna spot that shit. What's that? Oh, it's not a vlog camera. It's a video shit. It's our camera, right? Alright.
First off, me run the 822, lock the place where me grew. No motherfucker can't tell me what to do. You silly? No boy can't take me for no fool.
I'm gonna hear that drill bit. Hold on, let's turn this car off. Let us hear this shit really good. Kinda be easy on.
First off, me run the 822, lock the place where me grew.
Yeah.
No motherfucker can't tell me what to do. You silly? No boy can't take me for no fool. Bad from me in a high school. Me better than the baddest and me never stop. No game if pull the trigger cause me never gonna cop. Bust it now your face make you run a quarter lap. Don't know me God now go drop. Oh no me from the 8 so you know me better than Kobe. Brand new leather sneakers with me jewelry. Top flight man a catch me no newbie.
Hold on, no purple. Hold on, no. Damn, motherfuckers hot. Hold on, I'm sorry. Motherfuckers hot. Y'all finna hear some AC in this motherfucker, but damn. Sheesh. Sheesh.
It's hot as fuck.
Hold on. Woo.
It's hot as fuck.
Hold on. This motherfucker hotter than Jamaica, bruh. Alright, let's get back to this shit now. Let's get back to this shit because he's spitting shit. He's spitting all game right here, bro. I wish you could understand what the fuck he's saying, right?
Than Kobe. Brand new leather sneakers with me jewelry. Top flight man a catch me no newbie. None of them no know me.
Yeah.
Me sell food like me school, eh? But no pussy boy coulda confuse me. Cause me stay with me black strap and me Glock and the goddamn Uzi.
Yeah.
Laugh after them.
Alright, get a little laugh, fuck it.
No me. Better than Kobe.
DJ Cheeky.
Sneakers with me jewelry. Me no newbie. Me run the 822, lock the place where me grew. No motherfucker can't tell me what to do. You silly? No boy can't take me for no fool. Bad from me in a high school. Selling marijuana on the block. Although you bad, me not go run from no cops. I will never stop until me drop and me never flop. Style well unique from the top.
He said he's selling weed on the block, basically. Selling marijuana on the block. He's saying he's not running from the cops. You feel me?
Give me that. Yeah, I didn't see this. Around this other land. Tommy, golf.
Alright. Little freestyle. Guys, I just want to use this opportunity to tell you guys to look out for his new is it an EP that's coming out soon? I know it's called Flight 822. I wasn't even sure, but I think it's an EP coming out soon, people. Flight 822. You feel me? But anyways, it's been about TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss. Hope y'all enjoyed the little reaction or whatever. Drop your songs down below. I'm going to react to, you feel me? Instagram is the best place, you feel me? And subscribe to our channels down below in the description, you feel me, bro? What do you think about this video?
I like the video. Niggas was dancing this. Niggas was dancing this shit.
Yeah, I guess you saw something that you can relate to, innit? But alright, y'all. I'm gonna see you on another one for the 8th video. Try to get it out to y'all right now. Eesh.